In this lecture, we dive into the foundational processes and routines that kickstart an agile project with a Scrum framework. We will focus on the initial stages of defining the vision, crafting user stories, and building the product backlog, culminating in the first critical event, the kickoff meeting. These steps are essential for establishing clarity, alignment, and direction before the team embarks on iterative development. The journey begins with defining the vision, a cornerstone of Scrum. This vision is a concise, high-level statement that describes the product's purpose and the value it aims to deliver. It acts as a North Star for the team, ensuring alignment with customer needs and organizational goals. The product owner is responsible for creating this vision in collaboration with the customer and the stakeholders. This requires not only strategic thinking, but also the ability to communicate fluently in both business and technical languages. The product owner translates the business goals and customer requirements into actionable terms that the development team can use as a foundation for their work. For example, in our ongoing scenario of creating a MOOC platform, the vision might be to empower learners and educators worldwide by creating a platform that fosters accessible, engaging, and personalized online education. By breaking down barriers to learning, this platform will enable students to achieve their educational goals regardless of location or circumstances. It aims to inspire lifelong learning through an intuitive and adaptable environment, ensuring every user has the tools to succeed in their unique journey. For educators, it provides a space to share knowledge effectively and innovate in teaching, building a global community united by the pursuit of learning. This vision is specific, yet broad enough to guide the team while leaving room for iterative refinement. Once the vision is established, it is broken down into user stories, a critical tool in Scrum that bridges the gap between customers' needs and team implementation. User stories are simple, structured descriptions of product features from the perspective of the end user. Each story follows a syntax that is as type of user, I want, goal, so that benefit expected. This syntax ensures clarity and focus, giving space to the team to explore the design of a functionality by focusing on why it matters instead of how it should be done. For example, user stories for the MOOC platform might include: as a student, I want to register using my email so that I can access the platform. As a teacher, I want to upload video courses so that I can share my knowledge with students. As a student, I want to track my course progress so that I can plan my studies effectively. These stories represent discrete units of work that the development team can tackle. The product owner is responsible for crafting user stories, often involving the team to ensure technical feasibility and alignment. This collaboration ensures that the stories are not only valuable for the customer, but also actionable for the team. The product backlog is a dynamic, prioritized list of all features, functionalities, fixes, and improvements that the team might work on during the project. It serves as a single source of truth for what needs to be done, ensuring transparency and alignment across the team and the stakeholders. The product owner is responsible for maintaining the backlog, constantly refining it to reflect changing priorities, new insights, or evolving customer needs. Prioritization in the backlog is critical and means that items at the top represent the highest value and urgency, ensuring the team focuses first on what delivers the greatest impact. This approach allows the team to manage their efforts effectively and assures that every sprint delivers meaningful progress towards the project goals. Indeed, a key concept in this prioritization process is the minimum viable product, or MVP, the smallest set of features that provide sufficient value to users and enables the team to gather feedback for further development. For example, in the case of a MOOC platform, the MVP might consist of a basic user registration system, a course catalog, and a video streaming functionality. These are the most essential elements needed to launch the platform and begin delivering value to the users. As the project evolves, the backlog adapts. Lower priority items might be reprioritized, refined, or even removed based on the user feedback or changing business goals. This flexible nature of a backlog ensures the team remains responsive and focused on delivering value at every stage of the development. For instance, the MOOC platform backlog might begin with high-priority items like student registration system, course catalog browsing, basic video streaming functionalities. Lower priority items, such as advanced analytics or recommendation systems, can be revised in later sprints. The flexible nature of the backlog is vital, allowing it to evolve as new requirements emerge or priorities shift. This adaptability is essential to Scrum's ability to respond to changing circumstances. With a vision, user stories, and product backlog in place, the project moves into its first key event, the kickoff meeting. This meeting officially starts the project, bringing together all key participants to align on goals, clarify expectations, and begin building a shared understanding. The Scrum Master organizes and facilitates the meeting, ensuring it runs smoothly and adheres to agile principles. The product owner plays a critical role, facilitating communication between stakeholders, the team, and the customer. The development team actively participates, asking questions and seeking clarity to ensure they fully understand the vision and the stories. The customer should be present and can also involve key stakeholders or end users, introduce the vision and answers questions to provide additional context. The main agenda of a kickoff meeting includes introductions, establishing rapport among all participants to foster collaboration and trust. Vision presentation. The customer or product owner shares the vision, providing an overarching perspective on the project goals and expected outcomes. Q&A session on the vision. The team asks clarifying questions to ensure a shared understanding. User story analysis. The highest priority user stories are reviewed in detail, with a focus on their purpose, feasibility, and potential challenges. This discussion helps the team gain a clearer picture of what to expect in the first sprint. In this phase, the team also defines the story points, but we will be back on this later on. For example, during the kickoff meeting for the MOOC platform, the customer might elaborate on why seamless registration is a priority, citing user feedback from previous platforms. The development team might then raise questions about expected user traffic to ensure the system is designed to scale. The kickoff meeting is more than just a project introduction. It sets the tone for the entire collaboration. It ensures that everyone is aligned and equipped to move forward effectively. With the groundwork laid, the team is ready to dive into the iterative, value-driven work of Scrum. In this lecture, we have explored the critical initial steps of defining the vision, crafting the user stories, building the product backlog, and conducting the kickoff meeting. These elements form the foundation of a successful agile project, ensuring clarity, alignment, and direction as the team embarks in their journey.